Hello friends, today I will start my first tutorial series. Let's go. My tutorial series topic is SQL. If you think about accessing database, then SQL is the one of the main technique. Then we talk about what are the topics that will be discussed. This tutorial series have main 10 videos. I think if you uh, refer this every video, then I think you can get the full idea to SQL. Then what are the title of my video tutorials? First one is what is SQL. Then how to download and install SAM server. How to create database. Another one is how to create table and how to retrieve data and how to work with conditions and how to use SQL constraint and how to use logical operators and how to use data manipulation commands and how to use group by having and join commands. Then we start this first video tutorial. What is SQL? SQL is an American National Standard Institute standard language for accessing and manipulating database system. SQL statements are used to retrieve and update data in a database. SQL work with database programs like Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, IBM DB2, Informix, Microsoft Access. When a user wants to get some information from database file, he can issue a query. A query is a user request to retrieve data or information with the certain conditions. The result of the query will then be stored in from a table. The program will go through all the records in a database file and select those records and satisfy their condition. SQL is a server query language that allow user to specify the conditions. There are many different versions of the SQL language, but to be in compliance with the ANSI standards, they must support the same major keyword in a similar manner. Example: MS SQL Server using TSQL, Oracle using PLSQL, MS Access version of SQL is called JetSQL native format. Then, what SQL can do? SQL can create new database, it can create new table, execute queries, retrieve data, insert records, update records, delete record from a database, create store procedures in a database, create view in a database, and SQL can set permission on table, procedures, and views. These SQL can do. SQL command type. SQL language is divided into three types of primary language statement. They are DML, DDL, DCL. First, DDL, data definition language. DDL deal with database schema and description of how to data should reside and in the database. It has main keywords are create, alter, drop, truncate, comments, and rename. Create. To create database and its object like alter. Alter is the structure of the executing database. Delete a object from the database. Truncate used to remove all record from a table, including all space allocate from the record are removed. Comment add comment to the dictionary, and rename used to rename an object. DML, data manipulation language. DML deal with data manipulation and includes most common SQL statements such select, insert, update, delete, edit, and it is used to store, modify, retrieve, delete, and update in a database. Select used to retrieve data from a database. Insert used to insert data into table. Update used to updates existing data within a table. Delete used to delete all records from a database. And DCL. DCL means data control language. Data control language which include commands such as grant and mostly concurrent with write permission and another control of the database system. Grant used to allow user accessing privilege to database. Revoke used to withdraw user access privilege with by given by using the grant command. And SQL syntax. SQL keywords are not case sensitive. It's mean one word, simple characters and capital characters are same mean. Then some database system require two semicolons at the end of the each SQL statement. Semicolon is the standard way to separate each SQL statement in database system that allow more than one SQL statement to be executed within the same call to server. And another title is how to download to and install XAMPP server. I think you can understand what is SQL. Then if you have any question of that title, then you can comment this video comment line. I will get answer to quickly. Then I'm stop that video, and I will meet you another video. Its title is how to download and install XAMPP server. It's a very important title because we used to SQL command that XAMPP server. Then I'm stop that video. If you have any idea, please comment this video comment line. Thank you.